Hello, I'm so glad you could join us to another episode of
Pika with the Ease.
My name is Eltonia.
And I'm Enrique.
And today we'll be making a quick breakfast recipe.
French toast.
And our ingredients for today are
milk, 2 loaves of bread, sugar, salt, cooking oil, and 3 eggs.
We first start by beating the egg.
We add salt and whisk. After whisking, we add milk and sugar to your taste.
Okay, please.
And whisk again.
Make sure that all the ingredients have been whisked properly. So we take our pan and add our cooking oil, just a small amount of cooking oil.
We now take a slice of bread and apply the mixture.
Now take your slices of bread and place them on the heated oil. So make sure to bring them into a nice golden brown color. Make sure that your heat is not too much so that you cannot burn the toast.
French toast is ready. It's now time to taste. Very delicious.
Very yummy and very crunchy. You see, this is such a nice way of making a bread interesting, and also such a nice and quick way of making a breakfast in the morning.
Thank you so much for making time for us. Make sure to try it and comment. In case of any queries, ask us on our comment section.
Also, make sure to like, put a thumbs up, and share it with your friends and family. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and also hit the notification bell so that you can be the first one to watch our videos. Until next time,
Au revoir.